Today we're going to do a connaise, paper connaise, which is actually one of the more difficult things to do in baking. It's a bag made from paper. So cut your bag so it's a triangle. I'm going to put it down. I'm going to teach you what they call the bunny ears method. Bring the top one over. You focusing in, yeah. Bring this side around. And with that, you got two ears on either side. Just pull the outside ear and bring it to the middle. Once you have it to the middle, pull the two ears in, pull the outside ear in, the inside ear out, and you have a piping bag.